we talk a lot about ocean cruising to river cruising and how is river cruising different than ocean cruising. But actually, river cruising isn't a cruising holiday, it's a touring holiday. It's come from a touring heritage. So it is a coach and hotel tour on a ship. Now, those ships have become much nicer in the last decade or so. The standard of accommodation certainly has increased. And that is because people realize it's a really good way to travel. So unlike an old-fashioned, or not even old-fashioned, but a typical touring holiday, you are moving, like a touring holiday, you're moving from place to place, but unlike a touring holiday, you're not moving from hotel to hotel, and you're not spending a lot of time driving. So you might do some cruising overnight. So you wake up in a new city, for particularly beautiful stretches of river, you will always be cruising through those through the day. So, the Rhine Gorge, you'll start in the morning and there'll be somebody calling out all of the castles along the sides. And, the Wachau Valley, also cruising through the day, absolutely wonderful. But I think, if you're used to touring, this is a touring holiday. It has all of those great aspects of touring in terms of, getting to see lots of different locations, having really high quality tour guides explaining a lot about and immersing you in each of the local environments. But you're not having to pack and unpack. You're not having to get in, effectively using up quite a lot of time on your holiday, checking into a hotel, getting into your room, packing up. I mean, okay, you don't unpack and put everything in the drawers and what have you. But I suppose that is another thing, is that, you are unpacking and packing only once. You've got a wardrobe, you've got drawers, clothes are accessible, not quite so crumpled potentially as part of that trip. But yes, absolutely real similarities in heritage with touring holidays. And that is where the river cruising has come from.